Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process for your HP 14FM laptop, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized. 1. Power down and prepare. Start by completely powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. If your laptop has a removable battery, take it out. 2. Remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic prying tool to detach the back cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. 3. Disconnect the battery. With the back cover removed, locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair process. Remember, if you don't have the tools or expertise, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 4. Access the screen assembly. Next, locate the screws holding the screen assembly in place. These screws are typically found on the hinges. Carefully remove these screws and place them aside. 5. Detach the screen. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the screen away from the laptop body. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. 6. Disconnect the screen cable. Locate the screen cable connector at the back of the screen. Carefully slide the connector out of its socket. This step requires delicacy to avoid damaging the cable. 7. Install the new screen. Now, take your new screen and connect the cable to its socket. Ensure it's securely attached. Align the screen with the laptop body and gently push it into place. 8. Secure the screen. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the screen assembly. Make sure they are tightened properly to avoid any future issues. 9. Reattach the battery and back cover. Connect the battery back to its socket. Then, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. 10. Test the new screen. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything is working correctly, you've successfully replaced your HP 14FM screen. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. 11. Final check. Lastly, ensure that all screws are tight and the back cover is securely attached. It's always a good practice to clean the internal components while you have the laptop open. Dust can accumulate inside and affect performance. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. With these steps, you should have no trouble replacing the screen on your HP 14FM laptop. Happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.